Hello, my name is Steve Carney. I'm a Senior Product Manager here at American Dynamics for IP cameras and coders. I'd like to talk to you about our Illustra 600 series HD mini domes. One of the key differentiators for this series of cameras is our face detection bandwidth management. As we all know, megapixel cameras can have a significant impact on networks and storage. These cameras can detect faces and treat them as dynamic regions of interest, keeping your overall bandwidth much lower, but megapixel resolution on all the faces in the scene.
So Illustra 600 series cameras have an advanced bandwidth management technique in face detection, treating faces like dynamic regions of interest. We head to our setup section, our GUI, and the first thing we're going to do is cap our bandwidth in H.264. Constant bit rate for the 1080p module, you can use 1500 kilobits. For the 720p, 1000 kilobits. I'm going to head into the menu on the left and go into the alarms and get into face detection, and now we can see ourselves drawing a window here. You can have the faces detected in just part of the scene or the whole scene. In this case, we'll do the whole scene. We'll head down here and work through the menu. We're going to allow bounding boxes to be on. You can have them on or off, and then down here, priority, and you can set this up to work in conjunction with or along with regions of interest, and you can give this a higher priority or a lower priority than the regions of interest. Hit save, and now we're loading it up. Let's see how this looks in real video. At 3 subjects moving up a stairwell. Typically, competitors could put out 2 megabits to 8 megabits in stairwell situations. Here you're going to have this capped at 1.5 megabits or 1500 kilobits a second. Take a look at that wall right now when no one's there. Very smooth, clear image. But what happens when those subjects were moving through? The wall's grainy, it's blocky, it's pixelated, but the face is clear. The wall's not that important in this scene. The face is very important. So this camera is pulling bits away from the unimportant portion of the scene and placing them where the customer needs them, around the face, treating them as dynamic regions of interest and managing that bandwidth effectively.